Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Coding 2 Minutes. Today we are going to introduce a new tools which is Google Colab, an online editor like cloud-based editor for machine learning, deep learning, data analysis and Python codes. So why we need a Colab instead of Jupyter notebooks and Anacondas and all? So actually Google Colab is a Google products which allow anybody to write and execute arbitrary codes throughout the browser, especially machine learning, data science, and AI-based projects. So, what is difference between Colab and Jupyter? You need to download Google Jupyter for your local machine, where you need to specify RAMs, GPU, and other hardware configurations. So, in Colab, you don't need anything. It is just online editor which is provided by Google. So, basically, Google Colab is a faster than Jupyter, and you can use online GPU, TPU, and all. But depend on only your internet speed and all. So let's first demo on Google Colab. Simply search on Google like Google Colab, and you will see this one first only. You click on this, and after clicking on this, you will visit this portal like this. So actually you need to create a new Python file here. From you can create new notebook, open notebook, upload. You can upload on data set or data files and all. So that's the things. So let's write your first Python code like print hello world. So you can see this, it's printing. You can also import any file and install any things like pip install pytorch. So you can install also, you can install this all the things. So you can simply see this everything. You can install any packages, any modules or anything like pip install panda, and after writing you can just simply enter and zip together and you will get install all the things. So this is the nice thing provided by Google. You can easily use import anything, import pandas, SPD and all. I'm just showing you. You can use anything which is based on machine learning, data science, deep learning, and Python codes. So just simply you don't need any local machine, any GPU, any hardware configuration like 8 GB RAM and all. You can simply use Google Colab. So thanks for watching my this video and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And yeah, don't forget to watch my previous video which is based on Jarvis AI based projects, Azure based project, machine learning, Google Cloud and all. And yeah, if you find this video interesting and useful, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching.